Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 16. So, I am feeling quite tired today, but we will still go on with the video. Now, yeah. So, let's start off with strength. So, today I didn't have any sports, so I did the 50 push ups and the other push ups, but I still haven't done the jumps yet, so that's kind of rough. But, I'll definitely find time to do it eventually. Yeah, I'll find time to do this eventually. So for push-ups today, I did the regular 50. Then I have the finger push-ups. Now I still do them with the knee. I feel like I have a lot more control when I do it with the knee. I can also, yeah, I just have a lot more control when I'm using, when I'm with the knee. Now, um, for the triangle diamond push-ups, um, I can definitely do five, like just like doing this, but my problem is like when I do diamond push-ups, I want to go like nose like to the ground, and I still have trouble doing that. I'm definitely improving day by day, but I still can't do five in a row. So that has just we're working on that. We're working on that. Yeah. So that's it for strength today. Intelligence, I went to school, but I go to school every weekday. Um, for homework, I did math. We had math homework, but it really wasn't like hard for me, I guess. Mainly because it was mostly multiple choice, and then I can like click one, check answer, click the second one, check answer, click the third one, check answer. Oh, the third one's right. So it really wasn't much of a challenge. Um, so math, that was math. We had an English test homework thing due to our scheduling. Um, it was a test. It's quite interesting. It's a poem called Mending Wall, I believe, and it's about two neighbors, right? And one neighbor is like uh, was taught throughout his whole life that good walls make good neighbors. So they would have this stone wall, and then nature and like forces outside their control will keep breaking down the wall, like hunters trying to hunt stuff, the wind, like just natural stuff. So the narrator will just starts questioning like, why do we even have the wall in the first place? I mean, he doesn't really mind that there's a wall. He just wonders like, why do we have a wall? I mean, what are we walling in? What are we walling out? Is there even a point to this wall, right? But because he wants to keep up good relations with the neighbor, he just keeps mending the wall with him. So that that's interesting. Um, I haven't done my apes yet. I will do that right after this video. And yeah, so I don't really have an AP environmental section. However, there is something fun I discovered. So I have three APs: AP Chem, AP Computer Science, and AP Environmental Science. So I checked my schedule, and it's actually really nice because AP Chem and AP Computer Science is one day apart, but AP Environmental Science is 1 week apart from them. So that means like I can spend right now just reviewing through everything, and then once I finish my AP Chem and AP Computer Science, I can make that final week, that last final push into successfully doing my AP Environmental Science. So that's good. Um, yeah. What else for intelligence today? I know I did. Oh, my 2 hour class of AP Chem. Oh my god, am I tired after that? But you know, we keep on going. Like on it, like for me, the right now our AP Chem class is online, and like it's still helpful, right? The teacher still explains very well. It's just like I can't focus that well during online class. I still try and do my work, but it's like it's hard to be 100% in the atmosphere of doing uh, chemistry, especially when you're at home. So yeah, online class is just not suitable for me. Um, but it's fine. We're trying our best. We're improving day by day, and that's what truly matters. Now, I had horrible sleep, right? For discipline, I had a horrible sleep. Like, oh my god. I tried lying like I think I went to bed at like 1 a.m. So that's what 6 hours of sleep. But the thing is, like I just kept thinking about that volleyball game and how I got subbed off in 1 minute and how it wasn't my fault. Like, oh my god. I mean, it's not like it wasn't my fault because I definitely couldn't like if I set better, then I definitely wouldn't have gotten benched or subbed off in 1 minute. But the way I was playing, the way I was playing, didn't deserve for me to be subbed off in 1 minute, right? And then like I just kept thinking about it, and then I saw our Instagram group chat, and then they posted the video, and I checked the video, and I'm like, yeah, I really don't deserve getting like subbed off in 1 minute. I don't understand what the coach was on, and like it was just so hard to sleep after that. But so I estimate I maybe got like 5 to 4 hours of sleep. However, there's something fun. I'm not sure. I think the science behind this is like our circadian rhythm, but if you sleep, for me at least, if I sleep 6 hours, I actually feel a lot more tired than if I sleep 4 hours. And I think that has to do with like your sleep cycle, REM, sleep. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know the science behind it, but I think it's like with six, you're waking up in the middle of your sleep cycle, while with four, it's like the right time for a for a sleep cycle. Um, is this like fact check to know? I have no idea. I need to go ask a science teacher or something. But yeah. So discipline, I would say I did not. Definitely did not improve yesterday. I'm recording this kind of late, but I'm over the mental turmoil of getting subbed off in 1 minute. Now for the fun topic. I'll be honest, I did not prepare one today. However, yeah, actually I do. I know what to prepare now. And it has to do with this, the calculator, the TI-84. So, I used to be so cool because, like, I remember in middle school, our school required us to buy a graphing calculator. And at that time, it was the norm to buy the TI-84. Did I use the graphing utilities? No, I did not use the graphing utilities in middle school. But they required us to buy it, so we got one. And then when I came back to town, I was flexing. I'm like, yeah, I can type words in my calculator. But then now we actually need the graphing utility of the calculator, and everybody got the TI Inspired and like the cast. I'm like, damn. Like, I used to be so cool with my calculator. Now everybody's cooler than me with their calculators. And the worst part is, this is the TI-84 Plus, not the TI-84 Plus E. So it's bulky as hell. Oh my god. And then they're like, oh, I can solve like partial fractions by just plugging it into the calculators. And I'm sitting here like, oh my god, this is so painful. But, like, it's about, but it's not only about the calculator. It's still about your ability, your brain's ability to do math. And me and this calculator, we have gone through it all, right? This calculator helped me go through the SATs. This calculator helped me got a 1430, which is pretty good, right? Pretty good. So me and this calculator, we have a connection. None of those people with the TI Inspire or like the CAS, like none of them have the connection between me and this calculator. Yeah, this guy's my friend. Okay. Hopefully I I have more energy tomorrow and I can make a better video. Today it was rough. Well, I wouldn't say it was rough. It's just it was a very tiring day. So I couldn't really bring the energy. But tomorrow will be different. All right. That's it for today. Bye-bye.